How to send photos on WhatsApp business application. Are guys facing issues to send photos on WhatsApp business? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open WhatsApp business application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, head over to the contact where you want to send your photos. To send the photos, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this icon. Just simply select it. After you tap on it, you can see options like document, camera, and gallery. You want to send photos, right? Just simply tap on this gallery icon, and from here, you will be able to select multiple photos that you want to send to the contact list. That's it, guys. That's how you're going to send the photos on WhatsApp business application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WhatsApp. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.